In this video, I'm going to answer a question that I get all the time, which is what email marketing software should I use? In this video in particular, I'm going to compare two of my favorites, Kit and Flodesk. Kit and Flodesk. I have swag from both. I love both of these companies, honestly, and I think that they are both companies I feel comfortable highly recommending. But in this video, we're going to get into the features and details and pricing of each one so you can decide which one is right for you. If we haven't met, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and tech educator, and I love all things web design and email marketing, which is why I'm really excited to talk to you today about two of my favorite email marketing platforms. All right, so this video is not sponsored, but I am sharing my affiliate links for both Kit and Flodesk. I'll drop those below for you. And I just want to say that I've personally used both Kit and Flodesk at different points in my business, and I wholeheartedly love each one for different reasons. But they both are bootstrapped companies, which has a special place in my heart. They both put customers first. They both have excellent support. They both continue to make meaningful improvements to their product, and they are both built with entrepreneurs in mind. So today in this video, I want to break down the differences in pricing, the feature differences, the automation comparisons, the free plan differences, and what platform might best fit your business. Okay, so what's the main difference between Kit and Flodesk? I think that Kit is built for creators and solopreneurs who are looking for deeper automation, tagging, and long-term scalability. Flodesk is built for solopreneurs who prioritize beautiful email design and a simpler, streamlined experience. So both platforms allow you to send broadcasts, build landing pages and forms, create automation workflows, segment your audience, and sell products through their systems. But they feel very different in daily use. So let's look at the features and pricing comparisons. This is a table that I created based on the information I have today. I'll drop a link to the blog post that has this if you want to take a little more time looking at it. But yes, Kit does offer a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers, and you get one basic automation. So it's limited, but it's free. With Flodesk, you get a free 2-week trial that gives you time to check out the platform and see if it's the right fit for you. Starting paid plan is pretty different for each. So Kit starts once you get past that 10,000 subscribers, or if you want more automations or more features, I'll put a link below so you can check out what those are. Starts at about $33 per month, and it goes up depending on your list size. Whereas Flodesk starts at about $19 per month for Lite, which again has fewer features than the bigger plans, and it also scales with list size. Both of them allow you to send unlimited emails. Now, it does matter what your list size is, but you can send as many emails as you want. Both of them, the pricing model changes based on your subscriber count. So as you get more subscribers, your cost is going to go up. For automations, Kit offers really highly advanced automation with tagging, segmentation, and conditional logic. This is one of the things that I really loved about Kit. If you are looking to really be able to refine your list and just target very specific people based on specific things, Kit is really great. Flodesk also offers workflow automations that are simpler and easier to set up than Kit, and it has link actions. So if they click a link, the system can automatically tag them, but there's no manual tagging that you can do. Kit offers segmentation through advanced tags and segments, whereas Flodesk lets you segment your audience and target them that way. So again, Flodesk is a little simpler in this regard. Kit is a little more complex, so it just depends on what you need. Checkout and selling tools. Yes, Kit allows you to sell digital products on any tier, and with Flodesk, there is a built-in checkout on the highest tier option, but make sure that you check out the details of those. I'll link the pricing pages below so you can see exactly what's included on each. Let's talk about Squarespace integration. I'm a Squarespace web designer, and I love when things play nicely with Squarespace. As far as getting people on your list through using a lead magnet or a newsletter block, there's no native direct integration for either Kit or Flodesk. You're just going to have to embed their code on your website, and I'm going to create another video about that. So once that's done, I'm going to add it at the end of this video so you can check it out. For Flodesk, though, there is a native integration for Squarespace Commerce. So if you are selling things on your Squarespace website, you can actually use Flodesk to send emails after purchase without you having to rely on a third party to link those two. So that's really nice if you are running a Squarespace commerce store. For list growth, Kit has a little bit of an edge. It has an integrated creator network for referrals, so you can actually recommend other newsletters and be recommended by other newsletter operators, which is a great way to grow your list. Flodesk does not have a creator network. It relies on you to grow your list. Now, in terms of support, Kit has an AI chat support plus a lot of really great documentation, and you get live human support in 2 hours or less. I've had good experiences with both the AI and the human support. Flodesk also offers human support via email and help resources that are really quite good. I can't fault either of these companies for their support. I've found them really easy to work with, and support is something that's really important to me. So, who is each better for? Kit is better for solopreneurs who want deeper automation and long-term scalability, and Flodesk is better for solopreneurs who want beautiful design and a simpler workflow. But I have to say, there is one big perk here for Kit if you are a content creator. So, Kit paid plans include free access to Kit Studios. So, you're saving so much money an hour if you rent creator space to do your podcast or videos for YouTube, anything that you would need a professional setup for. I'm in my home office. If Kit Studios came to Austin, I would be there in a heartbeat. I love the spaces. So if you are a content creator, I'm going to give the win to Kit if you live in Boise, Chicago, or New York, or travel there often for work. All right, let's sum all this up. Which email platform is better for you? So choose Kit if you want a generous free plan, you plan to build complex funnels, you like organizing your subscribers, you expect to scale into launches or multiple offers, automation depth is important to you, or if you're a creator in Boise, Chicago, or New York City and could use recording space as part of your paid plan. Choose Flodesk if design is what matters the most to you. You want a clean, simple interface, you prefer ease over complexity, and your email strategy is mostly nurture with an occasional promotion. So the truth is, both of these email marketing platforms are excellent for solopreneurs and service providers. One isn't better than the other. It's all about what aligns with your business and how you think and how you plan to grow. So I've used both. I'd recommend both, but I'd choose mainly on how complex I expect my email system to become over the next 2 to 3 years, because changing systems can be a headache. Ask me how I know. I'd also choose based on pricing. Am I willing to pay a little bit more and not have a free plan at the beginning for something that's very simple to set up compared to other systems? Or maybe I'm like, yeah, I can take some time and figure out how to set this up, and I can run with this free plan until I hit 10,001 subscribers. So that's something else to consider. But overall, these are my top 2 recommendations for email marketing. Like I said, I've used them both. I love them both, and I hope you find one that is the perfect fit for you.